Y'all, one thing we have weekly is pork chops in our house. And I will tell you, sometimes it gets a little mundane. But I'm gonna show you a little trick. I'm gonna make a little sauce for some big old thick pork chops. It's gonna be some good groceries. Y'all stay tuned. That's some good groceries. All right, so first things first, we got to get our pork chops prepped up. I got two nice thick bone-in. I like bone-in. Thought I had two, but by golly, there is three there. Seasoning, I go very simple with seasoning. Oh man, those are beautiful. Look at that. It's a nice porterhouse. Got the T-bone right there. That's a little bit of the loin, and then the pork loin, or the tenderloin here, pork loin there. Oh, I like that. That's nice, tender meat. I go simple, going Blackstone SPG, kind of light, kind of coarse salt, coarse pepper. Pat those in, flip those over. Try to get those sides just a little bit. All right, our griddle, we've pre-warmed this. We got it on a low heat. You see we've got some nice wisp of smoke here. Perfect for our pork chops. A little bit of oil. This is avocado olive oil blend. And I know you're saying, Hussey, what's going on with this pan you got here, brother? What's going on with it? Well, just hold your horses, all right? One little pork chop right there. Two little pork chops there. Three little pork chops there. All righty. Now let's talk about the sauce. Sauce is the boss, the absolute boss, all right? Got some apricot preserves here. Love apricot preserves. The apricot along with the pork just works beautifully. I'm gonna put about a cup of the preserves into our pan here. About a good little squirt, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Just mix that around. And that heat is gonna break down all the sugary goodness of the apricot preserves. And then for a little bit of acidity, I'm gonna add a little bit of rice wine vinegar. So you got that little bit of sweet, got that tang. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. That smells wonderful. Pretty much the sauce is done. You just want to warm it through. Give it a little try too while you're at it. That's good. All right, going back over to our pork chops. We're gonna flip these. So if you notice, I'm trying to not put those into the same spot they were in because the temperature has gone down right at that spot. So just try to move those around, get the hot spot, all right? All right, we just been kind of flipping, making sure these are getting action on both sides. They're looking really good. And if you notice on this bone, some of that myoglobin is going to come out. And to help combat that, if you like, is to you can use this as a backstop and just bring them up just like that right there. We'll just let that cook for a little bit. That way that bone gets some heat, kind of cooks that through, and nobody's worrying. But overall, the pork chop is done. We're just gonna let this cook on this side just for a little while. All right, I'm gonna get our pork chops off. Ooh, man. Which one's got my name on it? Which one? Which one? Where is that thing? Where's that porterhouse? Right there. This is it right here. That's it right there. You're coming to Hussey. All right, now. It is beautiful, beautiful sauce. Come in here. Boy, look at that. Got a little drizzle on that sizzle. Sizzle. Dang it, boys and girls. Did you look at that? I love it. All right. Remember, this one right here, got my name on it. Look at that, it's so tender. It just pulls right off. That's why I like it. A little bit of that sauce. Cheers. So tender. I like the sauce. Sauce is fantastic. Just want to let you know that. Definitely will church up your weekday pork chop game. Just fact of the matter with just a little bit of a sauce. Guys, that's all we have for today. I appreciate you stopping by. I want to recognize some of our Griddle crew members. Kelly King, for example, she has been crushing it out on Instagram. If you don't mind, head on over to her Instagram. Give her a follow for a lot of the inspiration. I appreciate all people on Griddle Nation for posting those recipes and giving that Blackstone some love. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.